This 2017 Forest River Cherokee Destination 39KR is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 41 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 9, LP detector, refrigerator, leveling jacks, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, awning, TV antenna, stove top burner, slideout, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bunk beds. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Forest River Cherokee Destination 39KR is 10,346 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.